Alright, so this morning I'm replacing a condenser. If y'all didn't see that video where it had a bad TXV, they could not get me a new TXV, so they're getting me a new condenser. And this morning that's what I'm fixing to do, is replacing condenser. So I'll try to leave a link up in the top so that y'all see that video where I diagnosed that. But that's what we're fixing to do. Stay tuned. All right, I'm pumped down and I'm fixing to disconnect the electrical, and then we're going to cut this loose. Power is off. It's hard to work with them gloves. All right, now we're disconnecting our low voltage. It's cold enough for my fingers to feel a little numb. I'm being careful with that because power's not off on the inside. But this has a fuse, so I'm not too terribly worried about it. Now we gotta cut this loose. All right, that's loose. Already got my nitrogen over here. Get this get the new one brazed up real quick and pull a vacuum on this thing Alright, I'm getting this ready. I'm going to pull my shredders out, open these up, and we're going to put some heat shield all over that. Alright, we got our nitrogen flowing, and I'm fixing to solder this off. I don't want to put any more heat on that than I have to. Check my joints real quick. Alright, that looks solid. Oh, I didn't even do that one yet. Alright, I got pressure on it. Let me check these. Cool that one off. Alright, it's holding pressure. I kind of want this vacuum to go in a hurry. That's why I'm using this. Most of the time I just pull with both shredders in place, and by the time I'm done with everything else, I've got a good vacuum, but I ain't got a whole lot to do, so I'm gonna open that one up. For the pressure in it, I normally have it in this hose. This one does not. Full of vacuum. I like to turn these upside down. It makes them easier to take off. Power hooked up. On these, this wire actually comes on the bottom, but if you see, it's on the side that don't have a pole on it, so I put it on the top because I've had a callback with that wire falling off. I don't know if y'all can see that, but 365 in less than 30 minutes. So I'm having to add just a little bit of Freon. If you remember, this was 20 psi, so that is now normal, and I'm gonna try to get this above 300. All right, I got my charge about where I want it. See, I'm not pulling but about 5 amps. Power factor of 0.96. That's excellent. So I'm glad to be done with that one. That means I can now get paid. Before I completely condemned that TXV, I did go back yesterday, recover all the Freon, put in a new dryer, and pulled a good vacuum and recharge with virgin Freon. I still had the same problem. But I wanted to mention, I weighed the Freon when I was pulling it out, and it said on the nameplate that it had a charge of 101 ounces. Well, I only pulled out like 82 ounces. So even though it says it's charged for 15 foot of line set, that's not what I found with this one. And I had to add more charge than what I thought I would on this one I put in today. So you can't rely on the charge that's in the systems anymore. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.